Hey everybody, how y'all doing? This is your old pal Hondo doing another video for you guys on another tire that I got off of Amazon about a week and a half ago. I got them put on my lawnmower, which is the Statesman. We already did a review on the month-long review on the Garvey back tire situation. Now we'll be reviewing the new tires I got on the front of my riding mower. These also work for golf carts and anything with a 15 by 6 by 6 inch rim. These are 4-ply puncture proof tires, right along with the Garvey tires that I did a review on from Amazon. Had them on my riding lawnmower for about a week. I've seen a lot of reviews on Amazon on these motoos tires. I guess that's what it's called, M-O-T-O-O-S. They're really budget tires. Actually, they were $40 for a set of 2 tires. They're tubeless tires. That means you don't need a tube, basically an inner tube, in order to you know, get them going. But they're 4 layers. That means they're 4-ply, and it has like a metal reinforcement on the other side, on the inside and the walls, so they're puncture proof. And they got 4 layers, so being 4 layers, it should be a really good tire if you're running, let's say, you know, one of those like UTVs, like John Deere Gators, or, you know, golf carts that run a 15-inch tire. I've had them on here for a week, and I've seen a few comments when I did buy these tires for 40 bucks, and that's pretty cheap for a set of 2 15 by 6 6-inch rims. Not rims, but just the tire itself. Honestly, folks, you really don't need to buy a rim set with your tires already. If you got rims already on your pre-existing riding lawnmower, you can just take them down to a lawnmower shop or a tire place and have them mount them on your old rims. You don't need to do that. But I've seen a lot of the reviews on this tire. There was like maybe 3 bad reviews saying that they put the motoos tires on their riding lawnmower, and then a week later they blew out, which I've had this one for about a week now, and they work really well. I've used them riding up the hill. They're turf tires, they're turf care tires, or turf tires, whatever you want to call it. The tread is not as pronounced as, you know, maybe agricultural tire, but, you know, for a good set of cheap 15 by 6 by 6 inch rim tires, puncture proof tires, I mean, yeah, 2 thumbs up from them. I'll show you this one here, and this is the tread pattern, which is the standard arrow type of tread pattern on most of these riding lawnmowers. And here's the other tire. So you get a whole set of 2 for 40 bucks plus tax and shipping, probably around 45 bucks. So that's, you're saving a lot of money, because most lawnmower shops, or, you know, tire places locally would charge me about $50 a tire, plus the mounting them to the rims. But I bought the tires separately on Amazon, and had a mower shop put them on for $7 a piece. So I'm in it for like 50 at that point, you know, X minus the rim. And yeah, these tires get 2 thumbs up from me, and I will leave the link in the description to Amazon where I found these guys, and had them for a week. I got nothing but nice things to say about the motoos tires. You guys take it easy. It's been your old pal Hondo on another quick review on a lawnmower tire video. They hold air, they flated really nice, they've stayed flated for a week now, and no problems. Take it easy. It's been your old pal Hondo from Hillbilly Tactical. Like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.